Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build awareness for your brand with Target, beginner guide step by step clearly. Building awareness for your brand with Target can be an effective strategy. Start by defining your brand identity clearly. Understand your target audience's preferences and needs. Conduct market research to identify the demographics that shop at Target. Create a marketing plan that aligns with your brand and Target's values. Utilize Target's digital platforms to create engaging content. Leverage social media to reach audiences who frequent Target. Develop partnerships with influencers who resonate with your target market. Consider creating promotional materials that highlight your products. Participate in in-store events or promotions to gain visibility. Offer exclusive discounts or bundles for Target shoppers. Ensure your branding is consistent across all platforms and materials. Track and analyze metrics to assess the effectiveness of your campaigns. Adjust your strategies based on feedback and performance data. Stay updated on Target's marketing initiatives to align your brand with their new trends. Re-evaluate your brand awareness strategies regularly to ensure ongoing effectiveness. By following these steps, you can effectively build awareness for your brand with Target. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.